Hi, welcome to today's D5 tutorial. In this video, we introduce to you the local coordinate system in D5. In D5 2.3, we added a control for coordinate system in the upper left corner of the viewport. So you can switch between world and local coordinate system here. Or you can use shortcut keys. So what's the difference between world and local coordinate system? As you can see, with default world coordinate system, the orientations of a model's three axes are fixed, despite its rotation. However, local coordinate is an independent coordinate system of the model itself. The directions of axes refer to the front, back, left and right of a single model. Thus will change as you rotate the model. Also, please note that the local, world coordinate system is a global setting. So when you switch between them, change of coordinate system will apply to all the models in the scene. You can set the coordinate system as you like, for different scenes and scenarios. Here we'll cover a few cases, where local coordinate system can be of help. For example, here I place a light, and rotate it to a particular angle. If I want more of such lights into the scene, then switching to local coordinate system will make it faster and easier. In a word, local coordinate system is recommended for bulk placement of objects that have been rotated to gain a different coordinate system orientation. You can easily drag the model along the axes, without manual adjustment to get the right angle. Local coordinate system also works better when you have to place objects onto a slope. For example, to quickly place cars on this highway, one by one along the slope. Switch to local coordinate system. You can first rotate and adjust one car model, then press Shift while dragging it along the axis. With the option of local coordinate system, making animation of circle spinning is made much easier, because unlike world coordinate system, there won't be restrictions on rotation angle, if you're using local coordinate system. This helps a lot when making animated Ferris wheel, or clock hand. That completes the tutorial for local coordinate system. You can download the demo scenes on D5 Forum, Scene Express. To learn more about D5 Render, visit our official website d5render.com.